Alright guys, so we've got the Lollipop universal phone adapter right here. Just want to show you a couple of quick tips and tricks with that. Got it set up on the spotting scope, just going to rotate that off. My number one tip for the Lollipop is make sure that you really crank down on this. That just really secures it and it's going to hold the Lollipop in that perfect position so that you can center that camera lens repeatedly each time that it is in the phone scope case. So once it's centered, it's really easy to get the phone in and out of and fine-tune and adjust it. We'll just pop this out real quick. Okay, phone's out. Got the Lollipop. I've got that really secured and set up for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So just slide in that side, pull on that piece to engage it. So now, as you can see, it's off just a hair. A little too low, so we'll just slide that back up. Perfect. Go back to your spotter. We're gonna go, we set it on the 1X lens and you're ready to go. So the universal can be a great option, especially if it's a phone that we don't make a phone scope case for. Pick that up today, phonescope.com.